Hi everybody, Tom and Bill here from Backa.com. Just wanted to show everybody how to put the putt returner on. Real easy to do. Just a couple things you need before you start. You're going to need a rag, the coupling, the putt returner, bottle of Windex, and some glue. And the glue, the best type is gel type. It's a little firmer, won't drip. Alright? Couple of easy steps. First thing, take the flag off, and you want to spray the pole down with the Windex. That's just going to make the putt returner slide on real easy. So spray it, be generous so it doesn't get stuck. Get your putt returner, rib side up, slide it down, next you want to dry it off. Put your coupling on, goes above the hole so you can work the putt returner on. So once it's on, you want to stretch the putt returner just so that it slips on the coupling. That's all. Simple. Once it's on like that, make sure it's all dry from the Windex. Get your glue. Put a bead around the bottom. Rotate the club, this stick, and then push it down. That's it. Just like that. I also put a little glue on the top here, just to keep it in place. Wipe the excess glue off. Put your flag back on. That's it. Any questions? Call Bill.